because I look at stocks and they are broken. I look at the market, it's broken. So I look at it and say, these are nice little rallies, but are they actually nice little rallies? Because we saw this move and then a big gap down, recovery, big gap down a week ago Friday. And then unless you bought it last Friday at the close, you really didn't even get a chance to participate in that upside. And then if you did buy over here on that Friday, you sure as hell had to get out to lock in those gains. Otherwise, it's chopping people up left and right, which is why I look at these 30-minute time frames and down to the 10-minute time frames and that sort of thing. Is I'm not trying to predict where we're going to be in 6 months or 9 months. Although if I were to do that, what seems most likely is something along the lines of this for the NASDAQ. It doesn't mean it's a prediction. But if we come down to the anchor from there and, start to rebuild some, it'll look similar to this. And I've been saying this week after week after week, ever since I started this show. This is the way markets trade. What is your time frame? If your time frame is a longer term investor, guess what? The longer term uptrend is now broken. We don't have that pattern of higher highs and higher lows. So if you're buying stocks, you're fighting the trend.